Hey guys, how's it going? How to send snaps without media upload on Snapchat. So one of the ways to actually do it, you can just click on your memories at the bottom left right here, or the bottom left corner. Okay, you're gonna see right here something like a memory, and then you're gonna be able to go to your camera roll, or you can go to your snaps or memories, and then you're gonna be able to upload your memories to the to your browser, and to your snap, and you're gonna be able to upload the media without needing to go to your camera roll or whatever. But if the issue persists, you can just go back to your screen and then go ahead to your apps or Google Play, and then make sure that you updated your Snapchat to the latest version. Again, if you're still facing that same issue, go back to your screen, go ahead to the general settings, and then general, and then iPhone storage, right? And gonna just try to pin down or try to look for Snapchat, right? And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna upload the app, and by uploading the app, you're gonna release some of the unnecessary data or files within the app, and you're gonna Snapchat will be forced to give you the new version of Snapchat if there is a new update. So now go back to your Snapchat, click on your avatar icon at the top left. If you're still facing that same issue, or if you're still facing issues, go ahead to the settings, scroll a little bit down to the bugs and issues, or bugs and suggestions, and then just go ahead and click report a bug, right? Basically, you gotta just go ahead to your camera or memories or profile, right? In my case, I'm gonna just go ahead, let's have an example, not camera. I think I will go with right here, profile, settings, snap map, or story and discover. You gotta just go ahead, to the snaps. This is stories, discover. Just go ahead to, let's have an example bug right here. Choose topic, accessibility, audio issues, or go back to that same settings, camera, choose topic, right? And then you're gonna just try to pin down an issue, accessing the camera, not the camera, memories, choose topic, snaps, or send to or camera roll, accessibility. All right, so you're gonna report your problem, and you're gonna tell Snapchat that you want to fix that problem. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.